Well, first of all, good morning. I'm making this video on June 1st, and congratulations if you're watching my video, and congratulations to Save Club. We're out of the pre-launch. The last 30 days, we've been just kind of working some things out, kicking some tires, putting some lube on those joints. Man, I was lubing my joints earlier, and man, I feel like 6 hours younger than my actual age as I'm going on 60 years old here down the road, but it's all good. I'm feeling good. It is June 1st of 2025. This is the official kickoff day of Save Club. And we already have thousands of people signed up as members, just enjoying the savings. And we have affiliates too, like myself, that paid the $60. And we're building teams right now. I belong to the biggest team in Save Club. We have 2 Facebook pages that are invite only. We have free video for you. We have free banners and pictures that you can use on Facebook, TikTok. It's important that you have a good start. And we know that coming up with content, even how to make a video like this, all I do is talk into a webcam. Logitech C920, they're about 60, 70 bucks. They're probably cheaper on Amazon. I bought mine at Best Buy here in Salt Lake City. There's a ring light. See the little circle light? So I shine it on my face because I don't have any windows in this, I guess, little man cave. It was probably a broom closet at the radio station here 20 years ago. But yeah, that's all I do. I just talk into the webcam. I have the ring light just kind of light up my face a little bit. And I'm just real good at inviting people to watch video links. And let me show you what I do. This is the easy way. Somehow it's put me top 7 in the world. I almost have 100 signups already, my first month. I love saveclub.com. I bought this link at GoDaddy. I bought these business cards at Vistaprint. And both these links will eventually give you just a major, massive, awesome to the max education about Save Club. $20 a month you save on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. And of course, if you want to be an affiliate. But, my results are pretty good. Here it is, June 1st. Yes, we popped out today. Congratulations to the mother of Save Club. And we have a guy founder. So somehow we had a guy named Charles Moy. He gave birth to Save Club. I bet he can't walk. He's not going to be able to poop for a week, I bet. So anyway, yeah, 3 people have already pre-enrolled. One other person now has upgraded early this morning, and I appreciate it, guys. But if you join my team, there's a lot of support. There really is. And to be honest, if you make money, I make money. And if other people that sign up underneath you make money, so do you and so do I. So we're all going to take care of each other. That's the beauty of this type of marketing plan, compensation plan. Below this video, I'm going to feature the comp plan. It's a brand new 9-minute video that explains in awesome detail, produced by Save Club, how we get paid 5 ways by just chatting with you folks. So you can do this, okay? Even with zero experience, don't worry. Most of the people that have zero experience in my downline have better results because they don't have a lot of old, worn out things from the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s. There's a lot of old style techniques. But if you want to try it, give it hell. But if not, I recommend the funnel. It's $25. And what it does, it takes you on a slower journey and it explains things in better detail. I recommend if you join me, get 2 links and promote, yes, go directly to your, I guess you call it a capture page. It's called a Powerline capture page, but what it does is it gives you information from our founder. That's what the page looks like. It's a 6-minute video. People fill out this form, click this orange button, and when you open up your Save Club email, you can get more information or join. And when you go ahead and do the funnel system, you just go ahead and put your email address into this page and see that video right there. It's a 20-minute version. It just does better detail. And they both work. Right now, I've been having real good success just by promoting both links at the same time. And here's my proof right here. There they are, guys, right on your screen. Okay, have a good day. I'm going to let you guys get busy. Click both those links and let me know what you think. You can see my email. And if I'm on Facebook, inbox me there too. I'm not shy. I'll help you out. Even if you're not in my group or team, don't worry. And if you've already signed up in Save Club and if you're stalling a little bit, then get the funnel system. It's worth the $25, trust me. It's a good thing, guys. You're going to be happy with it. So, all right. Well, cheers. And once again, congratulations, Save Club. You made it, kid. June 1st, 2025. I'm doing videos all day in between my car shows I'm producing. And I'll see what happens by later tonight. But this is the first official day we kick this bad boy off. So thanks, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and have a kick-ass day, okay? All right, take care, guys.